Hey guys, so if you're looking for how you can reset the camera, the R100, what you need to do is you need to go to the options. Then you're gonna be here in the settings, where you're gonna have one of those fours. It's going to be like the 4 one, and there you're gonna find a button reset camera, and that's how we're gonna do it. So you can just like reset the camera right here to the default settings if you want to. So just want to make this quick video for you. Hope it helped you. And yeah, so here it's the reset camera. Have a great day and goodbye.